The dental assistant really helps to make a lot of important decisions in the dental practice. Oftentimes, the dentist will look to the assistant before hiring, and again, before bringing in new equipment or new materials to use. So the dentists rely very heavily on the assistants in the office for a lot of big decisions that need to be made. They look at it like it's insurmountable. I can never learn all of this. I'll never get it. But that intimacy, that closeness, that small group will allow us the time to go step by step, to go through all of the details, and then to do it hands-on, tying it all together. So it does help to just bring everything together for each student and each type of learner. I love that aha moment because students, they don't necessarily think that they'll ever get it, ever understand it. There's so much to learn. I can't do this. But when they have that aha moment, like it's all coming together, it's all starting to make sense, we're connecting the dots. I live for that moment. I love that.